Welcome back, first graders. Okay, it's time to do our practice together. So you need to get back into your binder, and you need to pull out this really silly looking sheet that has number 16 on the bottom, a 1 and a 6. And at the top it says ways to make 6. Now today you're going to be using this sheet and the one next to it that has the apples on it. So you're going to want to be able to see both of these pages. If you want to pull them out of your binder, or if you just want to keep them next to each other in your binder, you're going to need to see both sheets today. What we're going to be doing first, of course, is writing our name in pencil. And then let's read the directions. Use the apple picture to help you write all of the different ways to make 6. So when you were doing your video lesson, there were pictures of apples, and she was separating them up into different groups. Maybe they had stems, maybe they had leaves, maybe they were red, maybe they were green. We're going to be doing the same type of thing today with these apples. So let's look at these apples first of all, and let's see, what is a way that we could maybe break them into groups? Maybe we could group them by size. Did you say maybe size, big or small? So let's see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 big apples and 2 small apples. So if we go back to our other page, we can write 4 as one of our parts and 2. Let's take these and put them into our number bond, and then we'll come back and do the bottom part. 4 and 2 are our parts, so we do 4 and 2 because those are the 2 parts that make up our whole. And we're making 6, so our whole today is always going to be 6. 4 and 2 make 6. Okay, let's go back over here. There's something really cool when we are adding. When you're adding, you can take these two numbers and go and flip them around, and they still mean the same whole. So let's do that. Let's move this 2 to the front and the 4 to the back. There we go. 4 plus 2 is 6, and 2 plus 4 is 6. They're just flipped around. Let's go back and look at our picture again, and let's say we can group them a different way. So we did big and little. Maybe we could do color. Maybe we could do the dark, like the black, and then the gray. Let's look at it. 1, 2, 3 black. 1, 2, 3 gray. Okay, let's go back to our picture or our page, and we'll do 3 and 3 as our parts. So let's put them in our number bond. 3 black, 3 gray. Our whole we know is 6. Altogether we have 6. And then we're going to do our math sentence. So one part goes here, one part goes here. So we have 3 plus 3. And what's fancy about these is when we and we flip them, they're still the same number because they were the same. 3 and 3. Okay, let's try another one. What about how many have worms and how many do not? How many have worms? Oh yeah, just one. Good. Just one with worms. And then how many without worms? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So our parts are what? 1 and 5. So let's go back to our page and we'll put our parts in. 1 with worms, 5 without. We'll put our parts over here in a number bond. 1 with worms, 5 without, and we know all together we have 6 apples. Let's do our and flip them around. 5 first, and then 1. Is there another way that we can show? What could we do? What about, stems. Maybe stems. How many have stems and how many do not? 1, 2, 3, 4 with stems and 2 without. So 4 and 2. Yes, these are exactly like our ones from before, but that's okay. So maybe we should try a different one. Maybe what if we did, oh, here's a good one. How many apples there are and how many oranges there are. Oh, let's do that. How many apples are there? Well, of course, there's 6, Mrs. Stoliska. There's 6 apples. How many oranges? Oh, there's 0 oranges. So if we go back here on our bottom one of our parts is 6 because we have 6 apples and we have 0 oranges. How many all together? 6. And our 2 parts. One part goes here, 6, and the other part. And then, of course, we flip it and we start with our 0 and then with our 6. All right. So normally this is where I give you your assignment, but you already did it. So that's it for our math lesson today. Have a great day.